Just sprinkle cinnamon powder on the candle. After I discovered this, I never spent money again. Do this, and you'll never have this problem again. To start our simple tip, we'll only need 3 candles. Place them in a pan, turn the heat to low, and let them melt. Honestly, I never thought I could do this at home. I started saving a lot of money after I learned this trick. Once the candles are completely melted, you can turn off the heat. And don't throw away the leftover wicks. They'll be used later. Next, pour the melted wax into a container. You can use any container you prefer, as long as it's not plastic. Then we'll add some cloves. They play a very important role in this tip, and there's no exact amount. You can add as much as you like. After that, we'll need ground cinnamon. Add just 1 small spoonful, and then mix well. I learned this trick from my grandfather, who lives in the countryside. It's a powerful and foolproof tip. You'll definitely never spend money on those expensive products sold in stores again. After mixing well, our tip is almost ready. Remember the wick I told you to keep? Now we're going to use it. Using a clothespin, secure the wick and place it in the center of your container. Once that's done, just leave it to sit for a few minutes until the candle hardens. After some time, it'll look like this. Now just remove the clothespin and trim the excess wick. What we've just made is a wonderful aromatic and insect-repelling candle. That's right. Just light the candle and you'll immediately notice the aroma in your home change. The scent of cinnamon can transform any space, and combined with the cloves, it will help drive away all kinds of insects from your house, especially mosquitoes. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has insecticidal and repellent properties, keeping all kinds of flying insects at bay. If you live in an area with lots of insects and don't know what else to do, just make this homemade candle. It will not only keep them away, but also leave your home smelling pleasant and fresh. Give it a try. I'm sure you'll love it. That's today's tip. I really hope you enjoyed it. Bye, and see you in the next video.